What's up guys, it's Paul, me from Bold Branding, and in this video we're going to be talking about a really short tutorial on, as you may know, about the recent consequences about Twitter, that they changed their layout from a very good website to like a more mobile looking website, even for their desktop website as well. So in this video we're going to be talking about how you can get back to your old Twitter layout by doing some really simple steps. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and let's get started. So as you all can see, I am logged in on Twitter. It is a Bold Branding's account, as you can see right here. Make sure to follow our social media pages. Links are given in the description box down below. Make sure to follow. You know what I'm doing. So as you can see, we are on the Twitter, and first thing first, I'm on the Firefox web browser. And first thing first, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on this navigation, like three navigation bar, and from that I'm gonna go on add-ons, as you can see right here, and from that I'm gonna search a new add-on. Its name called Good Twitter, as far as I know, and as you can see it opened a new page of Mozilla add-ons, and as you can see we are on this page. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on this Good Twitter add-on. As you can see, it has been reviewed by 12,000 people, so it will not do anything with your privacy. So as you can see, we are on this on this page, and I'm gonna click on this add to Firefox button. As you can see, it has 5.4.8 stars, so as you can see, so it's very good. So I'm gonna click on OK, got it. And if we go to our add-ons manager, as you can see, it has Good Twitter as an add-on. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to more, and I'm gonna log out from this Twitter account. And as you can see, I have logged out. And as you can see, if you are familiar with the old version, the login pages look something like that. So I'm gonna put my login details, and I'm gonna get back to you. So as you can see, we are back again on our old version of Twitter, which looks very good and very fantastic, and it's more like a very good navigation. Also, as you can see on the top, we have home, moments, notification, messages, and also there is the account option and search for Twitter as well, and there is also a tweet button. So it is a very good tool. You can use that by yourself. It's available for most of the browsers, like it's available for Google Chrome as well, it's available for Firefox, it's available for, I don't know if it's available on the Microsoft Explorer, Internet Explorer, sorry, yeah, Internet Explorer. So yeah, that's about it for today's video. Hope you like this video, hope you enjoyed this. I hope that I helped you something. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, and why not give this video a like and be a part of the Bold Squad. And also if you are looking for any graphic design related work, then make sure to follow our social medias. Links are given in the description box down below. Also, if you have any queries, make sure to put them in the comment section, and I will catch you, or we will catch you in the next one. Peace out from Bold Branding team.